Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make simple pretty cards for Mother's Day. These cards are going to be very easy and you can make them under 15 to 20 minutes, and this video is specially for all the beginners. So without wasting any moment, let's see what are the required material. So you will be needing Dome's brush pen. These are very useful for beginners and they are budget friendly too guys. They come in just rupees 200, so I'll link it in the description below. You guys can go and check it out. And one more thing is, if you buy Dome's brush pen, you will be getting cans on watercolor sheets for free, which is an amazing thing. So you can directly make these cards on those watercolor sheets. But I don't have any sheet left as of now, so today I'm using Bristow watercolor sheet, which is again a very good choice, but it is quite costly for the beginners. So I would suggest you to buy Dome's brush pen so that you'll also get a freebie and you can practice on them. And apart from these, you'll be needing a plastic cover or a sheet like this, a brush and water. Go for any brush guys, any brush is fine for today's video. So first let's start with the galaxy theme card, and here I have took this plastic sheet and cut it in the size of the watercolor sheet. Since we are making galaxy card, I am choosing these three colors. So first take the black color brush pen and start painting on the plastic sheet. And guys, make sure that you leave some space on all the corners. Don't use too much of black color, just use it like a border. Do not overdo it or do not draw it, do not paint with black brush pen in the center of the sheet. Only use it as a border. Just paint it as I am showing, one after the other, and do not overlap the colors. Now put this plastic sheet aside and take some water and brush and dip the brush in plain water and start applying water on the sheet. And even here we are going to leave some space on the borders. Do not apply water on the borders. Sprinkle little water on the plastic sheet. Very less water guys, please do not overdo. Now turn the plastic cover upside down and place it on the watercolor sheet. Once after you place it on the sheet, do not move the plastic cover. Just slowly rub it with your fingers. Spread the colors on the sheet, but do not spread it on the borders of the sheet guys. As I already told, leave some space on the borders. Now let's slowly remove the plastic cover. And yes, it looks beautiful. Take a piece of cloth and just tap it on the excess water. And once after you finish this, just leave the card beside. Do not touch it until the paint gets dry completely. And here I am taking white watercolor and any brush with small tip. I have took number 2 brush and take a pencil and just tap it on the brush. Just tap it all over the card. This is to give stars kind of an effect. So once after the paint gets dry, take a scale and rub all the borders of the sheet like this. So if you have watched my previous videos, you would know how much I like these uneven borders. I don't know, I like it very much, especially when I am painting something using watercolors. I feel this makes the painting look more beautiful. Anyways, if you do not like this, then don't go for it, just leave the card as it is. Now cut a piece of paper like this, write down your message on it, and using the scale, I am repeating the process. I am making uneven borders to this little message card. So once after you finish doing this, stick the message card on the painting using 2-in-1 tape. I would suggest you to use a 2-in-1 tape so that it would give this nice pop-up kind of an effect. If you have 2-in-1 tape, then well and good, go for it. But if you do not have it, then you can also stick it using Fevicol, Fevistick or any other gum. Now using the same techniques, let's start making our second card. That's it for today guys. Hope you all liked the video. If you did, then please do like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.